Divide 685 by 2. Dividend is 685, divisor is 2. You already know by now. We divide the dividend from leftmost digit towards right by the divisor. First digit of dividend, 6. We will divide by divisor 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Write 3 in quotient space. Write 3 into 2. 6 below 6 of dividend. Subtract 6 minus 6 to get 0. Next digit of dividend, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Write 4 in quotient space. Write 2 into 4, 8 below 8 of the dividend. Subtract 8 minus 8 to get 0. Next digit of dividend, 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2. Write 2 in quotient space. Write 2 into 2, 4 below 5 of the dividend. Subtract 5 minus 4 to get 1. Division is complete. Quotient is 342. Remainder is 1.